Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Lyft application on your Android device. So let's go ahead and dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your Play Store. Also make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top as soon as you open up the Play Store and type in Lyft and search. Once you come across the search result, tap open the Lyft application and tap on the install button to start downloading Lyft application on your Android device. Now wait until the application is downloaded, which will take a couple of minutes. Soon after the application is downloaded, tap on open to open Lyft on your Android phone. So that is how you will be able to download and install Lyft application on your Android device in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.